Hi, so today we are going to solve Japanese cities names. This is under skill set of SQL basic. Domain is basic select, which makes it an easy beginner friendly question. So let's get started. Now the first thing that we will do is we'll select MySQL as a server. And now let's look at the question. Query the names of all the Japanese cities in the city table. The country code for Japan is JPN. So I have to query all the records which have country code Japan, and I have to get just the names. So basically there are two conditions. The first condition is I have to get just the names, and the second condition is country code should be Japan. So let's write a query for it. Select asterisk from city where country code is equals to Japan. Now here the only problem is I have used asterisk, whereas in my question I am asked specifically about the name of the cities. So this should be my query. Select name from city where country code is Japan. Let's run this code. As you can see, we have got 5 records. Also, if I try to remove those single quotes and if I run this code, you will see my SQL would not be able to process the query. As you can see here, can you see the error? Because country code is stored as variable type and variable character type, and variable character type is basically string. And when I'm searching something in the string, then I have to give my input as string as well. So when I add single quotes, this Japan becomes a string. And now when I run the code, I'll get the required data. So let's submit it. So that's that. Thank you.